What's up guys, it's Juan and I'm back with another video. I just picked up this bad boy, the new Chromecast with Google TV. I really picked it up because I'm using the Chromecast, I'm using the Fire Stick 4K right now, and that thing is super laggy and it's driving me nuts. So I was looking for a replacement. You guys know I'm rocking my Android phones. Right now I'm still rocking the Google Pixel 3 XL. And I got this for entertainment purposes as well as using Google Stadia. I've seen a lot of people side-loading Google Stadia on this device and it works. It seems like it works flawlessly. It doesn't come preloaded on it. Google is saying that the app is going to be ready for this device early next year. They don't have a specific date, but if you side-load Google Stadia, you can run it on this device. I'm not sure if it runs in 4K or whatnot, but we're going to test that out. I just picked it up and I'm eager to open it. So I'm going to do this video now. It's probably not in the best place to do it, but I'm going to do it anyway because I know I can't wait to get home to open it. So let me try my best to do it with one hand because I'm holding my phone with the other hand. This is the white one. I picked it up at Best Buy, and this is the only color they had. All the other colors were sold out. I was looking for that kind of like not pink one. That one looked pretty nice because that's the color of my Pixel 3 XL. But screw it, you know. It is what it is. It's going to be behind the TV. I'm not going to see it anyway, other than the remote. So this is the box. You got a couple sponsored entertainment services in the front, serial numbers and whatnot. That's how the back looks. Let's see how this opens. There goes my TicWatch Pro. I'm still rocking it. Love this watch. Best Wear OS watch to date. Alright, so this kind of opens up with a flap here. Pretty nice presentation. Let's open this box. I'm assuming this is where the Google TV is at. Small box. This is super tiny. You probably won't get the actual size in the video, but that thing is super tiny. Books and whatnot. Throw that to the side. Alright, in the box you get a power brick, which is awesome. That looks like the same power brick that comes with the Pixel phones. An extra USB A to USB Type-C cord, which is awesome. Always amazing to have that. I'm sure I can use that with my phone. You got some white batteries also on the inside. I know the remotes come with color matching batteries, which is cool. So if you get the blue one, you get blue batteries. If you get the pink one, you get pink batteries. Alright, this is the remote. Looks like it opens down here. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's kind of hard. I don't have a tripod with me right now. Alright, you got some cloth packaging here. It's pretty nice. Keeps the remote nice and clean. Ooh, look at this bad boy. I am so glad I got the white one. This thing looks clean. So, pretty clicky buttons. The buttons feel amazing. This kind of has like a different texture to it, more like a matte feel to it. So you got the home, back, Google button. That's a mute. You have, I'm assuming, the volume up and down rockers here, and you have a YouTube button, which is, I'm sure they're going to use that heavily to get you to subscribe to YouTube TV. And then you got Netflix button, which is pretty much the only two services I use. You got power here, and this is, I don't know what this is, but I'm sure I'll figure that out. Pretty nice presentation on the remote. I'm gonna throw that here. Alright, throw that to the side. Let me pick up this Google TV dongle. It's a pain in the ass to do with one hand. Ah, okay, I see why. It has. Hold on, guys. One second. I just dropped my phone. Sorry, guys. Poor video, but like I said, I just wanted to give you guys the unboxing as I'm getting it. This is the dongle. HDMI. Pretty nice. Looks like a white hockey puck. This is going to be a 4K dongle. So you plug this in the back of your TV, and then you get the whole Google Android TV with Google Cast, or I'm sorry, Google TV with Chromecast experience here, because they changed it to Google TV. It used to be Android TV. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is what you get in the box. This is the presentation you get. I like the fact that they give you an actual charger, like a Pixel charger. That's awesome. So I'm gonna set this up when I get home. I'm gonna go through the whole setup. I'll probably do a video on it, most likely. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe. I'll try to get that done tonight, and I'll post a video as soon as I can. So thanks you guys for watching. This was a quick unboxing of this Google TV with Chromecast. Hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe please, and subscribe if you guys want to see that setup later on tonight. Alright guys, stay blessed. Peace.